In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create more color schemes for your Shopify site. Whether you're looking to freshen up the appearance of your online store or want to keep your site visually engaging, adding new color schemes can make a substantial difference. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily manage your themes and add new color schemes to your Shopify site. To get started, open the site editor on your Shopify dashboard. You'll notice a variety of options on the left panel designed to help you navigate and customize your store's design. You'll want to look for the gear icon, which is the key to opening up your theme settings. Simply click on this icon, and voila! You're now ready to explore the theme settings further. Once you're inside the theme settings, the next thing you'll do is click on Colors. In this section, you'll immediately notice a display of the color schemes currently being used on your site. Take a moment to review them if you'd like, but the real action happens when you create new ones. These schemes are vital as they dictate the mood and aesthetic vibe of your site, thus playing an integral role in the overall user experience. To infuse your site with a brand new look, click on Add Scheme. This is the exciting part where you can begin experimenting with different color palettes. Maybe you want something bold and bright to catch the shopper's eye, or perhaps a soft and calming palette to encourage a leisurely browsing experience. The choice is yours. Go ahead, play with colors, and create a scheme that aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. After you've created a scheme you're satisfied with, you can seamlessly integrate it into your site. This new color scheme can be applied to various elements and sections, transforming your site's appearance and enhancing its attractiveness. Whether you're launching a promotion, celebrating a season, or simply want a fresh look, your new color scheme can help achieve these goals effectively. And that's really all there is to it. As you can see, adding new color schemes to your Shopify site is straightforward and can make a significant impact. Don't hesitate to revisit this process whenever you feel like your site could use a visual update or when you've discovered that perfect new set of colors you just can't wait to try out. With these simple steps, you now have the power to tailor your site's appearance with as much creativity and flair as you desire. So go on, explore your options, and keep innovating the way your Shopify site looks.